Is this a question or a statement?
Um, top one is a question.
The top one is a question. So we just said it's a question. How do you know it's a question?
The question mark.
It has a question mark. So your question mark is right here. So it is a question. You ask who works at your school. So they're telling you who work at the school. Other things you could do is you can count the words. How many words you see on here? You just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you just said how many words you have on it to help them. So we just basically teach the children how to count. From that, take out the letters and the letter sound for phonological awareness, and then identifying if this is a question or a statement. The difference between a question and a statement. So you ask them that, and then that should be it for your morning circle or your circle time, and then you just talk about that, and then help them understand it, to know what this is about. And you don't that way you don't have to sit down and do 26 letters of the alphabet. And then you could keep that on the board when you go to centers. The children will go around and find these letters for you. Find an activity that match with that, because you want to make sure there's a connection from what you taught them over here and circle time. Take it to the centers to make the connection for better understanding of the lesson. So that's basically it. So next time we meet, I will definitely add pictures of who work at the school. I'm gonna be based from online pictures because I'm not at a classroom where I could take pictures. So everything will be from the online version, and I'm not gonna laminate that because I want to make sure it stays plain, so that way if I want to change it one day to add other pictures on there, I just put that on there, and that should be it. So again, this is that. Any questions about question of the day?
Now, just a question.
Hmm.
I know the students, but technically they're working too. So
I was thinking about that too. I was thinking about that too, but they're not working. They're learning. They're in the learning environment.
well, they're at the school.
They're at the school, true. They're at the school, but they don't have a job there. Do they get paid for what they do?
Have to get. Well, we're a volunteer.
You volunteer.
Not in there.
Well, you said supporting staff, volunteers, and sub could be part of it, right?